Hey, I'm Joan. Let's see how Form Builder works in Saleoid so you can collect better information, reduce back and forth, and move submissions straight into the next step of your workflow. For a lot of businesses, the problem is not getting form submissions. The problem is getting the wrong information, incomplete information, or information that still needs manual follow-up. Inside Saleoid, Form Builder gives you a flexible way to create forms around the kind of information your business actually needs. That could be a quote request, a service inquiry, a lead capture form, or a more detailed intake form. So, instead of trying to force every use case into the same basic form, you can shape the form around the process you want people to follow. You can add the fields and questions you need and go beyond the usual name, email, and phone setup. Saleoid also lets you build forms in a question and answer style, including nested questions, so the next question can change based on what someone answers. And if the form needs to collect more detail, it can work as a step-by-step flow instead of showing everything at once. That helps you collect more relevant information without making the form feel confusing or overwhelming. Once the form structure is ready, you can style it to match your brand and the kind of experience you want to give. Then you can decide what should happen after someone submits. That could be showing a thank you message, sending them to another page, offering a downloadable file, or making sure the right team member received the submission details quickly. So the form is not just collecting answers, it is helping guide the next step for both the client and your team. Once the form is ready, Saleoid lets you place it wherever it fits best. You can share it as a direct link, open it from a button, as a pop-up on your website, embed it through an iframe, or place it directly inside a Saleoid landing page. That gives you flexibility to use the same form in the place where people are most likely to take action. And this is where Form Builder becomes more useful than a standalone form tool. The information does not just sit inside a form app, it stays inside the same Saleoid system where your team is already managing leads, communication, and follow-up. That means submissions can move straight into the next workflow step, and your team can keep visibility on what is coming in and what needs to happen next. So that's how Form Builder works in Saleoid. You can build forms around the way your business collects information, use smarter question flows, control what happens after submission, publish forms where they fit best, and keep everything connected to the rest of your workflow. If you haven't signed up yet, click the link in the description to get started at just $5 a month for the CRM and $1 per additional app with a 2-year commitment, or schedule a call with one of our friendly advisors to see how Saleoid can fit your business. In the next video, I'll show you how Landing Page Builder works in Saleoid so you can turn traffic into action inside the same system.